So what's going on here, Marty?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're just tearing your truck apart?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Find somewhere to mount this.
Yeah. Which, this looks good right here.
On the back side or front side?
On the back side, I was thinking. Oh yeah, let's do that. You got the wrong size. That was a big accident, right?
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Pouting.
Pouting. Alright, so we hooked the low beam ballast up and the high beam right there. Or I could have mixed those up, I'm not sure. But now we're just gonna check, make sure they work. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Dang.
I need to get my LED headlights now. I'm trying to not take the grill out to do this, but it's making it a lot harder.
What?
But you look like you got it.
I did get it. It's not in all the way yet.
I want to see what your blinkers look like too, because you put LED blinkers.
Go turn the lights back on.
And HIDs. There's the old. And there's the new.
You don't need the key on. You don't need the key on. Here.
Oh yeah, that's a jolly old difference. So I didn't record the process for that one because I got here and he had it torn apart already. But I'll record the whole process for this side, and obviously it doesn't take no mathematician to realize it's the same thing. All right.
Now because I'm getting a new paint job. Because
That's your favorite part, isn't it?
too much power, twist the frame.
Heavy power, dude. Too much heavy power. I want to see this thing leave, so don't do anything yet.
I'm doing it.
Nope. Don't do it. She's taking my truck. Good grief. I never get to see this thing drive away much, so it's kind of cool. I love my truck. Okay, back to business. Did you break it yet?
No.
There it is.
No.
Just kidding. All right, so I didn't end up recording it, but they make you put a bolt, get a bolt down from under here. You gotta take the fender lining off. And we broke the last one when we were looking at this stuff a while ago over here. And the headlight still stays in fine. So we said, screw it, and we're just gonna break this one. And then all you got up here is 2 bolts right there and right there for the headlight. And she'll come right out.
Not really.
Not
There's
really,
clips.
but
It clips to the bottom bumper here. And it's hard to get out. Just kidding, that scratch is right there.
biggest pain headlights. 20 freaking LML Duramax. Yeah.
Set up this.
So the one thing nice about this truck, there's one wire that goes, like one part of the harness that goes in the entire set of headlights. 2 blinkers and daytimes, highs and lows, all run by one wire. That's really nice. Where's your ballast? So the next thing to do is mount both of these ballasts. Probably gonna lay one here and then either on one of these steels just to keep her there. Alright, so I put one ballast right there and the other ballast behind this steel right here with the wires up. That way when we put the bulb in, the wires will be easy accessible and we can do it real easy. While I'm doing that, let's go see what Marty's doing. So are these both technically the same bulb?
No.
No?
These are H11 and these are
okay.
9005.
And pretty much just plug and play.
After that, yeah.
Sick. Well, here, put them in.
Sure.
Alright, so we hooked everything up. One ballast for the lows, one ballast for the highs. Everything's pretty much plug and play. And just putting the headlights in. Oh yeah. They're working. We have to go to the store to grab some resistors, take care of this hyper flash. 10 times better, sir. I want to see how weak your fogs are now. Turn the brights on? Yeah. Wow, yeah, there's a huge difference.
The way they reflect because of the housing.
It's been a while since I've been in here.
Same. First time in a few weeks, actually.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. There's the stop. Your brights on?
No.
Okay, your brights are off. Turn your brights on. The stop sign all the way. Turn them off. All the way down. That's a mile. Is that a mile? Close to half mile.
Oh, that's the sign before. That's like 3/4.
So like 3/4 of a mile.
That's not the stop sign. That's the stop sign ahead sign.
Still, holy frick, dude. Nice. All right, so Marty's gonna take care of his hyper flash for his LED bulbs. And I'm gonna try and knock out these fog lights. Oh. All right, so unlike my truck, it's a lot more difficult to get at, but fog light, I got them both out. That side and that side over there. So now I just gotta hook everything up, find a place to mount the ballast. Alright, so I'm running into kind of an issue. I don't know what the heck's going on here. So like, I got the ballast hooked up with all the wiring that it needs, and that's the bulb. But there's nothing that goes into the harness, factory harness, except for this. And I'm not sure how these are supposed to go in. Because if you look at the back of the original fog light, if you look in the back of there, there's two little prongs, and they have to go into the harness somehow. But I've been trying to get these to go in, and they're not. I guess this ain't my specialty, so I'm not too sure what's going on here. So I'm gonna wait for a while to finish those fogs up. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and he got LEDs for the map lights in here, and pretty much if you're wondering how to do these, there's little teeth marks right here and right here. You can see them about now. That's where you're gonna want to pry out, and it'll get that piece out of there. All right, I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place here, but we got those in. And out here, still haven't touched the fogs. Might not touch them tonight, but for these setup, you have to use 2 resistors for each bulb. That was giving us a big issue because he didn't know why we had to use 2 and not just 1. But we got that. Still got to do the other side. Okay, so Marty got them in.
Kind of plug these prongs into the prongs on the.
That's what I thought, but I feel like if I pushed it in too hard, I was gonna.
You had to angle it off to the side a little bit.
Oh, all right. Well, I'll get this other one set up for you. Here's the ballast. Basically, this goes up to here. Goes there. Literally, it's all plug and play.
Give me one of them zip ties.
All right. So what he said is basically these prongs you have to put into the old connector, and you have to put them in. You just stick them in there, and you got to put them in there harder somehow.
They slide in like, but you got to do it on a little angle.
Oh, okay. All right, here she is. You're gonna have to take it outside. See what it's like outside. So we got these done. Done in there. He's already got LEDs back here, but they sent us more. Marty's kind of mad because he ordered white. And if you can tell on camera, they are bluish. I wouldn't say they're as blue as my truck, but they're still a lot more blue than the headlights. All right, got the fogs in, highs and lows. Fogs might not work because we have to wire them up a little differently. Fix the blinkers. And got the cab lights, not the cab lights, the interior lights all done. And it's finally dark out. We're gonna go see what it looks like. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's just normal lights. I'll let them warm up real quick, and there's the brights. Holy frick, dude. Those suckers are bright. It's perfect. Perfect, Marty. And pretty face. Alright, guy. I'm out of here. Oh, what'd you do? Right in a puddle. Alright, you're blurry, but see you, guy.